Hi everyone. Today I'll be walking you through how to fill your wiper fluid. First, you're going to want to choose what brand of wiper fluid you need. Today I went with the RainX. This is a 2-in-1 all season and it should do the trick. The next step will be popping your hood. After you do that, you're going to want to find the receptacle where you can pour in the wiper fluid. It should be located with a yellow cap right there. You're going to want to pop that bad boy off and get your wiper fluid ready. This is where I made my first mistake. I did not have a funnel. You're gonna need a funnel. It was really cold outside, so I began to pour it in like an animal. I was rushing and spilled it all over my car, in the engine bay and all over important wires. You're not gonna want to make the same mistake as me, as I've heard horror stories of wiper fluid being really flammable, so be careful. Right around here I realized that this was gonna take a while, and my car took the full gallon, so I went to grab my camera. And I dropped my keys. Trying to film this was a bad idea because I spilled more into the engine bay. This did end up needing to take a full gallon of wiper fluid to fill the tank. Once your car is full, you're going to want to turn your car on and make sure that the windshield wipers work properly. And here are a couple test runs. As you can see, the wipers work fine and the fluid is all there. It removed all the snow and left a streak-free shine.